So, hi everyone. On 16th of August, my birthday was there, and some of the students wished me who are knowing on 16 my birthday was there. फिर क्या हुआ कि मैं वो विशेस देख के इतना खुश हुआ कि मैं कुछ चीज़ें शेयर करना चाहता था, मेरे लाइफ की कुछ लर्निंग्स थी एंड मैंने एक मैसेज ड्राफ्ट करना शुरू किया जो कि इवेंचुअली काफ़ी बड़ा होता गया एंड फिर मैंने सोचा कल करूँगा और वो कल आज तक नहीं हो पाया. इट्स बीन फ्रॉम 16 यू कैन से इट्स 25 अगस्त बट क्योंकि वो मैसेज काफ़ी बड़ा था तो उसमें से कुछ 10 लर्निंग्स आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको शेयर करने वाला हूँ. These learnings happened during the career growth, and guys, the best part is these learnings are the best learnings of my life which I'm gonna share with you. So let's start. We all gonna be someday wrong or right at something in life. The lesson is once you know it's a mistake from your end, improve it from the very same day or next day or within the month or as soon as possible. Always remember, tough time wants you to learn something from your mistakes, so accept, make necessary changes. As you're gonna move forward in life, with every forward step, you're gonna face setbacks. And believe me, this cycle never gonna end. Being happy or sad are like two sides of the coin. You cannot be at one side always. From a clinical SaaS programmer to founding Clinical City Academy, believe me, the journey was not easy from beginning till now. Now let's talk about the learnings. The very first learning is getting an high paying job or good job is a beginning of journey. We feel like we won. Yes, but for few months or maybe a year. After that, something next is waiting for you. Second learning, getting too much comfortable at your job can replace you. Third learning, you should always upgrade your skills at least in every 5 years. If needed, then as soon as possible. Fourth, never blame anyone for anything. Just make them aware what they did, then figure it out a way, take the responsibility of the situation, then move on. Like let's suppose if you're going from one place to another place and if something is there in the mid of the road, some blockages are there, you're gonna move on, right? You don't wanna stuck at the same place. Fifth learning, sometimes life don't give you the results when you need or wanted. Even though you have worked hard, tried everything, sometimes life have different plans for you. It doesn't go according to your plans. गाइज लिटरली मैं उस दिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा पता नहीं क्या फील कर रहा था कि मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें लिखी और मुझे और भी लिखनी थी इतने के सिवा. लेट मी कंटिन्यू द 6th पॉइंट. You continue to struggle till the time you are chasing money, power, too much motivation from Reels and YouTube. 7th, you're gonna always face competition or comparison with someone from to job to business to personal level. It means everywhere comparison and competition is there. 8th point, I feel the goal of life is doing something which I love to do. And this is something, I believe the goal of life. And 9th, whatever you do comes back to you sooner or later. And 10th and last point, always understand the difference between the need and want. So guys, ये कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट थे जो मैं सभी को शेयर करने वाला था जब सभी मुझे बर्थडे की विशेस कर रहे थे 16 अगस्त को. तो पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अलग सी खुशी आई और मुझे मन हुआ कि मैं ये सारी चीज़ें कहूँ. बट मैं लिखे जा रहा हूँ और वो पॉइंट ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा. एंड फिर वो क्या था पेंडिंग में चला गया और फाइनली मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक वीडियो बना के कुछ 10 लेसन्स ऐसा कुछ टाइटल दे के मैं आप सभी के साथ ये शेयर करूँ. तो अगर मैंने ये पॉइंट्स काफ़ी फास्ट में कह दिए हो तो ज़रा इसे पॉज करके सुनना. ये मेरी ज़िंदगी के 10 लेसन थे एंड मे बी इसमें से कुछ लेसन आपके भी ज़िंदगी के कुछ सीख हो जाएंगे और लेसन्स हो जाएंगे. बस आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. ये कुछ टेक्निकल था ही नहीं. अगर कुछ सीख सको तो सीख लो, नहीं तो एन्जॉय योर लाइफ. थैंक यू एवरीवन.